Krate. It's so good. So good. I don't know what to say. Guess what, everyone? We got our Keto Krate and we are going to unbox this and maybe try. That looks good inside. This is a subscription box. You know, I had a subscription box for makeup, and of course, why not to get a subscription in keto? Because life is all about balance. Makeup and keto. This box is $40 a month. Let's see if this crate is worth it for 40 bucks. So if you don't do keto, you might not understand, but if you do keto, I think you will understand what I'm saying. So without further ado, let's open this one and let's see what's inside, and let's try. Keto Krate, always low carb. Yes. Oh wow. Oh, there's a lot of things over here. Look at this box, y'all. This box is huge. Okay, and excuse for my face, I don't have any makeup on because, you know, why not? Look at this. You have this pamphlets. Is that how you say that? Pamphlets? 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 I don't know how to say that. Anyways, you figure it out. Oh, they have Krate Club Party. Where is this? Members only. All right. Ooh. So the first thing that we have here is this is biltong. What is biltong? What is biltong? Which is, I don't understand. It says here that biltong is dried with air instead of heat. That way it stays more tender than traditional jerky. Oh, it's a jerky, y'all. Okay, now I understand. Oh, that looks good. So this is the first one. Second is, this is a crazy go nuts. Oh, this is really good. Oh, nice. So this is a walnuts, but buffalo flavor. It's like a chicken wings. It's interesting. Honey, let's open it. Okay, the next is, oh, sweet cheat hot chocolate. Ooh, oh my god. A classic sweet hot chocolate with a sugar, so it's perfect for cold season, you know. 100% natural and diabetic safe. Yay! Drink this, no diabetes. Y'all, this is awesome. Ooh, I love it. And this is the spicy deal. This is a pork rinds. Oh, I thought it's a chips. Like, there's no way this is chips, but it's not. This is a pork rinds, y'all. Awesome. Look at that. Spicy deal flavored. Fried in sunflower oil. Check. Oh my lord. I'm so excited. It looks like chicharron. It is a chicharron, right? Alexa, what is rinds?
Los Angeles Rams, the American football team based in Los Angeles, California.
Rind, not rind.
Oh, my bad. It's a pork rind. Babe, really? So it's a pork rind. I don't know. So the next one is, it's a creamy peanut butter sea salt. Oh my god, this looks good. So my husband loves peanut butter. He loves like Reese's, so I think he's gonna love this. It's 15 grams protein, 14 gram fiber, 2% sugar. I think it's not bad. Honey, here. Bam. The next one is a Nikki's coconut butter spread. Vanilla cake butter on the go. Oh, this is snacks. Oh my lord. Look at this. Nikki's coconut butter spread. I'm excited for this. Okay, so the next one. Oh my god, it's a chocolate. It's a dark European chocolate. Oh my god. You got a chocolate. So this is a This is a Choco Perfection, a dark European chocolate, sugar-free. I like it. And the next one is, oh my god, double chocolate better cookie. Oh, look at this, y'all. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Look at this. 7 gram protein. This is awesome. I'm sorry, excuse me. I'm just so excited. The next one is, oh, it's called a 39% milk chocolate quinoa. Quinoa and milk chocolate. I tried quinoa once and I like the taste of it. Zero sugar. Oh my god, this is gonna be awesome. I am so excited for this. And this is all of it, you guys. $40. So you get 9 snacks. I think that's all good, you know. If you're gonna ask me if this $40 Keto Krate is worth it, it is worth it because, you know, in keto, you need to invest in your food. So for us, that, you know, we don't need to go to the store and pick this and look at the back, what is the ingredients, how many sugars, how many carbs. I think that's all worth it, you know. You just need to wait every month and get your snacks and be happy with it. Keto Krate, check, worth it. And I'm so excited. Let's binge in. So I'm gonna try first. I'm gonna try this is spicy dill pork rinds. Let's try it. Well, whatever. So Lay's has a dill pickles chips, and this one smells like it. Okay, honey. Okay, more. Oh my god. Wow, this thing is good. I'm licking my hand. OMG, this thing is so good. Yeah, I like chicharron. When I was in Philippines, I love chicharron so much. So this is going to be my favorite. When I lick my hand, it means it's good. You like it, babe? He likes it. I love it. Next, I'm gonna try the cookie. Let's try it. This is the No Better cookie. It's a double chocolate, so smells like a cake. La, 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 la. It's so good. And there's chocolate nibs here. It's not sweet. It's just like perfect. So what we like about the Keto Krate is you are not getting the same snacks every month, which is really good. So it means you'll be able to try different keto products, or, you know, keto snacks. And the benefit of this is, you know, you'll be able to try different snacks, and if you like the snacks, you can just buy it for yourself. And if you don't like it, you're just kind of like, oh, I don't like that. So, you know what I'm saying? So I think that's really good. And inside of this box is more than $40 worth, because Keto Snacks, y'all, is expensive. I am loving it, and I'm expecting the second box next month. So I'm looking forward to that. You may ask why the Keto Snacks is very expensive, and it's because of, you know, what's the ingredients in that particular snacks. So you know what I'm saying? But, you know, health is wealth. So splurge with your health and your food. So yeah, you know, and I suggest to try it out and see if you like it. Anyways, you guys, that's it for this video. And if you like this video, please show me some love, you guys. Give me some like, and do not forget and do not forget to subscribe, and let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.
I just wanna